Hello everyone, and for today's video, gumawa lang tayo ng fresh fruits, refreshing and energizing drinks. Yan. We have 1 piece of carrot here. Hindi ko na to binalatan. Kinat ko lang into small pieces, but if you wish to peel it, it's up to you guys. And then I add 3 pieces of lakatan bananas. Ayan. And then I also add 1 piece of lemon. Cut into 4 pieces, yarn. And then, diretso na yan sa blender. And then, I also add water, 3 liters of water, portion by portion yung ginawa ko dyan, guys. And then, yan. Just blend it until it's smooth. Yarn. Please comment down what city you're from. So, for the next video, I can shout out for you. And then, salain lang natin. Be patient. Kasi medyo matagal ito because patient is a virtue. Char, daming alam. Anyway, napagawa ako ng energizing drink. Kasi nakita ko yung pagod ng mga bata from yesterday's Taekwondo tournament in Bulacan. Sobrang pagod sila talaga doon. Buti na lang aircon sa loob ng gymnasium nila. Yan. And then, ready to serve na yan. Just glass. Ice, if you wish. Pwede din siyang inumin ng walang ice. Yan. And then, for the drinks, ginarnishan lang natin siya ng lemon and carrot. O, diba? Ready to serve, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye!